Hi, I'm Pepecano. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare for you a pork chop with dry vermouth, which is one of my wife's favorite dishes. And it's really easy to make. Delicious stuff. This is what I do. I like to buy the T-bone pork chops that have the loin and the tenderloin together. Salt and dredge them good with flour. Add fresh ground pepper. Sear them well in hot olive oil. I place the thick slices of onion on top of each chop. And arrange the rosemary sprigs around the chops. At this point, I'm going to add my dry vermouth. Deglaze the pan and then add enough water to come up to the top of the meat. Cover and cook over low heat for at least an hour. At this point, the meat should fall off the bone. Carefully take the chops out so we can finish the sauce. And now for the sauce, discard the rosemary and strain the liquid into a small pan. And heat it up to start reducing it. And when it's reduced by 2/3, it's ready to use. At this point, the sauce should lightly coat the spoon. It's super tender. Wow, it's really delicious. I really hope you enjoyed these chops with dry vermouth. I enjoyed making this video. I hope to see you again. And until then, ciao.